boys. Welcome to you in science class. How are you today?
Hi,
Hello, Nadeem. How are you?
fine.
Hi, teacher.
Hello. Open your books.
On the floor,
Hi,
Open your.
teacher.
Hello.
What today is no quiz.
No, no. Open page 75. Book.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Zia.
Hello, Osama.
Hello.
hello,
Page 75.
hello, teacher.
Hello, Abdullah.
Hello.
Hup, tup.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Muhammad Abdullah. So on page 74, we have a paragraph where there are some mistakes. We are just revising this unit because we have exam next week, inshallah. So we are going to revise.
Sarbash kam.
Okay, page 75. Okay, correct the mistakes in these sentences. Cross out the word that is wrong and write in
Thank
the
you,
correct
teacher.
word. Page 75, brother.
75, okay.
Yep. Okay. Polar bears have adaptations to help them survive in the polar bear lives in polar regions, not in deserts. So desert is wrong. Polar regions is right. Alaikum salam. Penguins have adaptations to help them to not fly, swim because they swim. They live in Arctic area mostly, so they don't fly, they'll swim. Desert animals need adaptations to help them to keep cool during the day, because if you say warm, it's already warm in desert, so they need something to keep them cool. So adaptations help them to keep cool. The fennec fox has small ears to keep it cool. Small is wrong, huge is right. Huge means big, gigantic, like this. The fennec fox has huge ears to keep it cool. This is the right answer. So if we have 4 points, one is for polar bear, penguins, desert, and fennec fox animals. Okay, next page, which is page 77. On page 77, we have 4 pictures
Sam,
described
Sam,
to 4 points. Yes,
hello, Maja.
yes, Abdullah. You have exam next week. उसबुल जाए इंशाल्लाह fi इख्तबारात. So we are revising with you. Okay. So here we have 4 points and 4 pictures to describe.
Teacher,
Yes,
next week we have exam.
yes, inshallah. From next week. So
Oh,
we should be ready for that. So we
All,
are just
all the
revising. Okay, all the books, yes. Page 77. Okay, who will tell me number one? What is number one out of these pictures? Here we have A, B, C, D. Number one, I can make myself, yes.
number one,
number one
egg.
D.
Sorry,
Number one
Number
D.
one,
D. Number one is D. Okay. D is right. Who said D is right? This one, it's mean. This one is number 1. Okay. Number 2, I
A.
can change colors and yes, very good. A. Number 3, I move very
D.
slowly and okay.
B.
B. Number 4, C definitely.
C.
Yes, number 4 is D definitely. C definitely because we have one option, so it's the answer. Okay, moving towards next page. Page 78, we have identification keys. Identification keys help us to identify the animals. Like if it has wings, you can identify it should be bird. It doesn't have wings, it's mean it's an animal. So you can make some questions, identification keys to identify the animal. Okay, here you have an example of identification key. Does it live in water? If yes, then you have other questions. If no, then you have other questions. And on the top of the page, you have 6 pictures to identify. So, Abdullah Faisal, what is one in the from
Yes.
out of the pictures? One.
Um, spotted.
Number 1.
Number
One.
1.
Yeah.
Grey wolf.
Yes, very good. Number 2, Abdullah Muhammad.
Butterfly.
Wrong. Yes, number 2, Badr.
Spotter fish.
Yes, spotted. Okay,
Fish.
fritillary, not fish. It is
Teacher.
fritillary. Yes.
Okay.
I can read the number 3.
Yes, number 3, Khalid.
Macaque or
Okay,
macaque.
macaque. Okay, number 4,
Mac-
Basil.
Yes.
Number 4, please.
Number 4. Hammerhead shark.
Excellent. Number 5,
Teacher.
Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri.
Butterfly.
Sorry. Muhammad,
I don't.
yes,
I
Muhammad.
don't.
Yes, number
I-
5.
Yes, I don't. Blue butterfly.
Adonis blue butterfly. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, Mr. Omar. Mr.
Yes.
Omar. Yes, number 6.
Robin.
Okay, Usama. Sorry, Nadeem. Nadeem, number 2.
Yes.
Number 2.
Yes. What?
Number 2, please.
Spotted.
Nadeem.
Mister, I can see it.
You can't see it? Why? Where is your book?
Where is this? What is this?
You have your book, page 79?
1 second. I don't know the page.
79, please. You can see the page on screen. Yes.
Oh, okay. 1 second.
Okay, no problem. Take it. Usama, are you there? Usama, open your mic, please. Usama Saad.
Spotted Phil.
Yes, spotted fritillary. Yes, thank you. Usama, أنت ما يرد يا حبيبي. فينك? Where are you?
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة. Number
Dad.
6 يا أسامة. Number 6.
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة, number 6 يا حبيبي.
Number 6.
Page 79, number 6. What do you suggest for number 6 from the pictures? أسامة تأخر يا حبيبي بسرعة. Come on.
ما أعرف أستاذ.
Sorry.
ما أعرف.
الحين هو يرد يا أسامة. أنت ما في رقص يعني في الحصة صح؟ الحين هو
إيش؟
يرد روبن. الحين هو يرد الحين. انت ما عارف انت ما في ركز يعني لازم ركز يا اسامه. This is Robin. Number 6 Robin, and we did it before. Number 1 gray wolf. Number 2 spotted fritillary. Number 3 macaque. Number 4 hammerhead shark. Number 5 Adonis blue butterfly. Number 6 Robin. So this is what we have on page 79 along with some identification keys. Okay, on this page we have how we affect the world, find out how human activity affect the world environment. So as we did it that there are many natural disasters and other things which are tsunami, volcano and earthquakes, etc. So what is tsunami? A tsunami is a natural disaster, a natural event. We cannot prevent tsunamis, but we can prepare for them. Zaruri. We cannot prevent tsunamis, but we can prepare for them. A tsunami is formed when there are movement of the Earth's surface under the oceans. These movements include underwater volcanoes, landslides or earthquakes. Very occasionally a tsunami is caused by a meteorite striking in the earth. These movements create waves that move in all directions. So this is tsunami on page 79. Page 85, sorry, it was page 84. Okay, page 85, true and false. True and false. Number 1, tsunamis are always caused by meteorites. No,
False.
that is false, which is done for you. Number 2 is there is a link between the size of the tsunami and the force that created it. So is there a link? True or false?
True.
True. Excellent. So
True,
there is a,
teacher.
yes. Okay. A tsunami is a natural event.
True.
True. Yes.
True, teacher. True.
We read it now. We can stop tsunamis from happening. Can we?
False. False.
False.
False.
We cannot stop it, but we can prepare for it. So this is the
Sir, this is a review.
yep.
Sir, sir,
Yes, Abdullah.
only Allah is stops the tsunami.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, on this page now we have again some kinds of pollutions we will talk about. We need clean air, of course. So do you think this air is clean here? This air is
No.
clean? No, there is a lot
No.
of smoke in the air. So
No.
it's not
No, teacher. No.
okay. Now,
Okay,
okay.
number 1.
Wait, Khalid, don't say the answer. One by one we will ask. Abdullah Faisal, number 1.
Yes. Power stone.
Sorry,
Power station.
Tion pronounces like shun. Station. Power
Station.
station. Okay, thank you, Abdullah.
Okay.
Abdullah Muhammad. Number 2. Number 2, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, number 2, please.
Factory.
Factories. Okay, number 5, Nadeem.
Yes.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah.
1 second. 1 second. Then.
No, number 5 is not 1 second.
Number 5 is the landfill sites.
Okay, you said number 5, 1 second. This is wrong answer.
Hey.
Okay, Basil. Number 7, please.
Teacher, can read.
Wait, Khalid, wait. Yes.
Let me.
Animal.
Okay, Badr.
Page what? Forget.
Page 86, Basil. Badr, number 3, please.
Forget.
1 minute. 1 second. Cars.
Yes, cars. Okay, number 4 for Mr. Omar. Number 4. Mr. Omar, number 4, please.
But you're not talking.
Okay, I am here. Trains.
Okay, trains. Yes, great. Okay, number 6 for Abdullah Amri. Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri.
Yes.
Yes,
Number 6.
4, not 6.
4.
Yep.
14.
Trains. Okay, number 6. I forgot. by the
Number
way.
6. Homes.
Homes. Very good. Okay, Khalid, open your mic and give me the answer for number 7.
Animals.
Animals. Excellent, yeah, Khalid. Khalid, you are doing very good, mashallah, this year. Excellent.
Welcome.
Okay, who didn't answer? Min Baki.
Me.
Okay,
Me.
Basil, I asked you a question.
No, but
Abdullah, you
you
didn't
don't
answer.
ask me, but I was closing the mic.
Okay, you can answer me number 5.
أستاذ عبد الله أحمد قرأ.
Landfill stay.
Yes, landfill sites. Okay, next is
Mister, I didn't do a question.
you did it. You said 1 second for number 5.
No.
Yes, I
No.
know. Okay, on page 89, we have used the words in the word bank to complete the photograph about the volcanoes, Volcanoes form very dramatic. Hello, mister. How are you, brother? Very dramatic landscapes. This attracts tourists. Tourists, what is mean by tourists? Who knows?
Me.
Yes, Mimi.
Me. Magma.
Tourist.
Yes.
Hey.
Nadeem, what do you mean by tourists?
Tourist. People who comes from a country to another country.
Yes, to visit it or to explore the main places. Okay, very good. Volcanoes erupt. Erupt yani
Teeth.
who knows the erupt means? Eruptions or eruptions?
Me. I know.
Nadeem, wait. You will answer and who nobody else will answer. Yes, Muhammad Abdullah. Do you know eruption?
No.
Yes.
No. Okay,
don't know.
Khalid. Okay, I will tell you now. No problem. Khalid, do
Yes,
you
sir.
know?
Number what?
I am asking about eruption. This is volcano, I mean. Okay. Like if you
Okay.
think this is volcano, then the volcano. Okay, Nadeem, you are going to tell us what is volcano.
Okay. انفجار.
Intishar, yes. The volcano, when there is lava under the earth, okay. When
Yes.
there is,
Dramatic.
yes,
So
it,
the lava
when
go
there is
outside of the
pressure,
volcano.
yes, when there is pressure under the earth, it comes out from here. Okay, this is called eruption of volcano. Volcano eruption. You got it?
Teacher, what's the meaning magma?
Sorry.
What's
It
the
is
meaning
coming next.
magma?
It is coming next, which is on page number, I think,
Wait.
next, yeah, page 88.
Liquid hot.
Yeah. Magma, actually, this is magma which comes out, leaves the volcano, then it becomes lava. Before coming out, it is magma, liquid. When it comes out and leaves the volcano, comes out here, that is called lava. When it is flowing, like water or something, that is magma.
Guys,
Okay.
Okay. We did it before, right? This we have done.
Yes.
On
Teach.
which page we are? Yeah, on this
98.
page. Right. Okay, thank you. So Volcanoes erupt when pressure is in the which chamber?
Magma.
Yes.
Magma.
Okay. Magma chamber then gets too high and forces the magma through the vent. You can see all the pictures on page 88. If you open your book, you can see the pictures. Okay. These are also elaborated by the writer. The magma is very hot liquid, very
Rock.
hot liquid rock. Volcanoes are classified as active, dormant,
Dormant.
and extinct. Or extinct. Hello, Mr. Ahmed Samola. Got it? Any problem?
No.
Okay. Next
No.
page, which is page 91. Okay. On page 91, we have, first of all, we have some
Exercise.
numbers. Yes,
Two.
numbers to write in the pictures. So you will elaborate numbers with pictures. What is number 1? Yes, who will answer? Number 1 is
C. C.
C. Okay. Number 2,
B. B. B.
B.
B.
B. Very
B.
good, Khalid. Number 3,
E.
E.
E. Very good, Abdullah. Number 4,
A. A.
A. Okay. Number 5,
D.
D.
yes. Okay, now we have questions. Number 1 is C, number 2 B, number 3 E, number 4 A, number 5 D. So these are the answers. We did it. Now we have true false, true or false. Number 1 is humans use rivers
True.
for many different activities. Yes, we use that.
True,
That
true.
is done.
True.
Humans use dams to create energy. Yes, they use dams to.
Two.
Yes.
True.
Yes, they to store the water and then use it in different ways to make energies. Okay. 3. Chemicals from factories can harm habitats near rivers. Yes.
True.
True.
Yes, because they
True. True.
destroy the habitats for the animals near to the rivers. Number 4, the Amazon the Amazon is the world's largest river.
False. False.
False. It is a company who sells things for us. Okay. Amazon. You know
Okay.
Amazon, right?
Yes. Amazon.
Yeah.
In
Now
every
page 93.
90. I owned it.
Page 93.
Mister, the biggest river in the world, river in Egypt, the river Nile in Egypt.
Yes, you know Egypt. Okay.
Yes, I'm from Egypt.
Yeah. From which city?
Number 1.
From Iskandria, Alexander.
You are from Istanbul.
No.
Huh.
I'm from Iskandria. You know it.
Iskandria. Yes.
Iskandria.
Okay.
Yes.
Iskandria.
They say it Alexandria, right?
Yes. In Arabic, we say it's Iskandria.
Yes, Iskandria. Yes, we say also in Pakistan we say Iskandria. Yes, same.
I go to Iskandria.
Muhammad Abdullah Amri.
I need Damascus.
Number 1.
Okay, Abdullah. Number 1. Yes.
1 to Sanaa.
Sorry, I will ask one by one. Like this, I can't hear you well. Badr, open your mic because I didn't hear your voice before that.
Teacher to Sanaa.
Yeah. Wait, Khalid. This is not T tsunami. This is tsunami only. T is silent. Tsunami. Badr, are you there? Badr Michel.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Badr. Number 1, page 93.
Number one,
Yeah.
volcano.
This number 1 is volcano. What are you doing?
No.
This is
Number one.
volcano?
No, this machine.
What is this?
This,
don't-
tsunami.
I told you now, this is not T tsunami. This is tsunami only. You pronounce it tsunami because T is silent. Rakesh ya Badr, please. Okay, Mr. Omar, number 2.
Number 2 is air pollution.
Air pollution, excellent. Number 3 for Muhammad Abdullah. It's very easy.
Yes, sir.
What teacher?
Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri, I mean, not Abdullah Al Lehan.
Yes.
Yes, number 3.
Number 3, volcano. It's
Yeah.
very easy.
Okay, Muhammad Abdullah, now you open your mic. Abdullah Al Leham, I mean. Number
Okay.
4.
Thank you. Oil spill.
Oil spills. Because we have 3 Abdullah. Abdullah Faisal, I call it Abdullah Faisal. I call him. I call you Abdullah Al Leham and I call Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri. Okay, like 3 Abdullahs we have in.
محمد عبد الله عمري فكرته أنا.
Muhammad
Ghalat.
Abdullah. I call you Abdullah Al Leham. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, difference like this. Okay, thank you. Number 4 is for Khalid. Number 5. Khalid is absent. Okay. Basil. Basil. Dear Basil. Where are you?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher,
Number 6.
my next is my next. It's
Okay, no problem, Khalid. I can hear you now. Just 1 second. Basil. Number 6.
Earthquake.
Earthquake. Number 6. Are you sure?
Wait, I'm sorry. Water pollution.
Yes, water pollution. Number 5, Khalid. Khalid Muhammad. Is your
Yes,
mic
teacher,
stable
yes.
now? Okay,
Yes.
number 5, please.
earthquake.
Earthquake. Yes, thank you. So,
Welcome.
yeah. So we did this. Number one, tsunami. Number 2, air pollution. Number 3, volcano. Number 4, oil spill. Number 5, earthquake. Number 6, water pollution. So we did it, and yes. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Excuse me.
Yes, Abdullah.
I can go in the bathroom.
Okay, we are going to finish now, and you can go now. Then, when we finish it, then you can go. Okay.
بسرعة finish بسرعة.
Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave, Abdullah.
No, thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, boys. Khalid, Mr. Umar, Khalid Muhammad, Basil,
Assalamu-
Muhammad Ibrahim,
Yes, teacher.
Goodbye.
Faisal, Badr,
Goodbye.
Muhammad Al-Amri, everybody.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.